Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video we're gonna go pick up some tools. I do have a lot of bits and pieces laying around my house, but I don't think they're that useful. I think I need a whole tool set. I'm buying the car parts pretty soon for my Ecoboost Mustang, so I need the tools to assemble the parts into the car. We're back at the Starbucks line. Can I get the pistachio latte, please?
Absolutely. What size?
Can you make a grande? Do no whipped cream.
Alright. Hot, no whipped cream?
Yeah.
Excellent. Anything else?
No, that's it. Thank you. Yeah, so we made it. So I ended up going with this. It's pretty basic, but one thing I like about it says lifetime warranty, so if anything breaks, they'll take it in and just fix it for me and then give it back. So yeah. So I went for something not too expensive but more basic. The parts that I'll be installing is pretty much the bolt-on parts. I don't think I really need like a lot of tools. One thing that I'll miss about this car if I do sell it is the moonroof up there. This whole piece right here, it does come off. Like, it doesn't come off, but it goes back. I find that really fun, especially in the summer when the sun is out and there's a cold breeze to it. When I don't want the windows down, I usually have that open and it just gives more air. It's nothing major. It's just for like whenever I have to work on my car at home, I could just use those stands to just pick up my car. Found an abandoned lake. Bruh, this scenery is so good, especially with the car right there. Ooh, yeah. We're just getting some shots done over here and take some pictures and all that. That is sexy. Man, this is a hella good shot. Yeah. Jeez. Yum 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 yum. This is the spot.
I at least want a picture of the back.
We were coming down back on the road like hella fast, and yeah, that was really fun, which is why I need a track car, so that those kind of roads, like those survey kind of roads, will be really fun to go on, and I could create more content for you guys. Track car, I mean Evo? Evo 10? Please like and subscribe. We're on a road to getting to 1,000 subscribers. Let's try to get there as soon as possible. If you enjoyed this video, please like, and I'll see you guys later.